If your Roku home screen suddenly looks crowded after a recent update, you're not imagining it. The good news is you can clean it up in just a couple of minutes and make it much easier to use. Let's start with those recommendation rows. Roku now fills the home screen with suggested movies and shows, but they don't always match what you actually watch. If you don't want to see them, press the Home button, go to Settings, then Home Screen, and find Recommendation Rows. Change it to Hide, then go back to the home screen. You'll immediately notice a cleaner layout. Next is Quick Access. This section automatically changes based on what Roku thinks you use the most. If you'd rather organize your apps yourself, you can hide Quick Access the same way. Go to Settings, Home Screen, then set Quick Access to Hide. Once it's gone, your regular app list moves back to the top, giving you full control again. Now organize your apps the way you like. Highlight any app, press the star button on your remote, then choose Move App. Put your favorite streaming services at the top so they're always easy to find. It's also a good time to look through your apps. If you're paying for a service you rarely open, you might want to cancel it and save a few dollars each month. Another setting worth checking is the app tile size. Head back to Settings, then Home Screen, and open Tile Size. Small tiles let you fit more apps on the screen. Medium is the default, and large tiles make everything easier to see. Pick whichever layout feels most comfortable. Now, there are a couple of things you can't change. Roku still displays advertisements on the home screen, including the large banner on the right. The menu on the left also isn't customizable anymore. The good part is that it automatically slides away when you move back to your apps, so it doesn't stay in your way. With these simple changes, your Roku home screen becomes much cleaner, easier to navigate, and a lot more enjoyable to use every day. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy Roku tips and smart TV troubleshooting guides.